Hello, this is Christy. This is going to be a very quick tip with Camtasia 2020. It's a very short video. I just want to show you how you can blur the edges of a video clip in Camtasia 2020. This may sound like something you could probably do in a few seconds, and probably you know about this, but in case you don't know, here's how to do it. I have this video clip here on my canvas and it's playing like this, and I would like to blur the edges of this. Now, it may not be so straightforward to do. If you are using the annotation, here you go to annotations and you go to this tab here, you have this blur annotation. So you can assign this, you can add it on top of your clip and it will blur all of your clip. But how can you keep the middle part not blurred? Very easy to do. Here you go. You need to invert this section here, this option for the blur effect, and watch this. If I invert it, obviously it becomes not blurred, but if I resize this to the area I want to keep on my clip, like so, click invert, and there you have it. The outside part of the clip, the part surrounding the subject, is now blurred and will play blurred for as long as I keep this effect on the timeline. If I wanted to play for the entire duration, I can just stretch this blur effect all the way to the end. So this is my clip now playing with the blur edges. If you would like this effect to be stronger, so let me just resize it for a little bit, so I'm showing more of the effect on the video, just so it's more obvious like this. If you want this to be stronger, all you have to do is just copy this and paste it. Select the blur effect on the timeline, copy and paste, Control V, and there you go. It's become stronger. Paste it again, even stronger. So now look at this. You can see the edges of the video are blurred just below this effect. The problem with the blur annotation is you can probably do this, you should have been able to do this with the blur annotation and an alpha track maybe, but that doesn't work because as soon as you group this effect, it will disappear. So this is a bit of an inconvenience with Camtasia. So here you go. If I want to group these together like this and make them, easier to manage on my timeline, if I try and group them, the effect disappears. In Camtasia, this doesn't work. I think it's because inside of every group, Camtasia creates a separate virtual canvas, and it doesn't affect whatever is outside. Some of the effects do not work inside of a group. So I'm going to ungroup this, and there you go. This is my blurred edges effect in Camtasia 2020. I hope you found this useful. And I'm going to do a series of shorter videos like this for Camtasia 2020 with different functionalities and different tips and tricks. If you find these useful, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one.